Hey everybody, Dave here again, and today I want to talk to you about the exit function. Quite simple to use, but there's additional features baked into the platform that I think you might be interested in learning about. So the syntax for this is quite simply exit. Now it does take an optional parameter. I'll circle back to that in just a moment. But let's look at this application where we're playing it. And so here it is in play mode. And if I click exit, it simply just logs me out and takes me into the Power Apps area for the environment in which the application was created. Okay, so this is just de facto standard kind of behavior. So that being said, there's a couple things that you could incorporate into this, such as the exit function, and then you could incorporate the optional logout parameter. So if we do logout, right, see it says logout. This is a Boolean value indicating whether the function should also log the user out. So when you access Power Apps, it wants you to sign in with your Microsoft Office 365 ID. It's a Boolean value that you provide here. So by not providing it, it's automatically assumed to be false. So true is something explicit. This, as you see it, that I have it, is the same as this. So you don't actually have to provide it at all. The only time you would really provide it is true. So I'll go ahead and save this, and let me go ahead and publish this so you can see what happens. And I will get logged out of my demo lab environment here. Let me come over to here. Let's play the application. I can shut this down. Okay, I'm going to refresh because it detected a new change. Now, a couple things are going to happen. When I log out, I'm going to be fully taken out of this in context. And now if I do this control thing and hit play, it should have actually logged me out. So let's do this again. Okay, now it logged me out. I guess it took a while to refresh. So it says, which account do you want to sign out of? Now I don't actually want to sign out of an account, so I'm not going to do this. But in any event, if I go ahead and replay this one more time, actually it did log me out, so it didn't matter. I now have to log into my lab, and lo and behold, I'm now back into the application, and I'm in my demo development environment for this. Now, all that being said, let me close all these down here and go back to this. There is a cool feature built into Power Apps, but it's hidden underneath this application node. So make sure you're under Tree View. That's this little guy over here, top left corner, and it says Tree View. And you just click on this icon. You can also see it says Tree View here. Click on Application. Now, I want to bring your attention to the right sidebar. So now we're all the way over here. There's this little interesting switch, and it's set by default to false. When you use the exit function, it basically says, hey, if you're going to use this, do you really want to use this? Do you want to give the end user the opportunity to say, oh my God, I didn't really mean to do that? And it's kind of like a last minute panic button. I didn't mean to click that kind of thing. So let's go ahead and publish and save at the same time, and we'll get this back up and running again. Let's do and play this. Okay, let's refresh, and for good measure, I'm just going to do F5 again to make sure we get the proper action. Now watch what happens when I click exit. We're not going to get signed out, we're not going to get anything, but we're going to get a system modal dialog box that we can't really control, but it says, hey, apps.powerapps.com says you may have unsaved changes. And I can either hit cancel and go back to my app, or if I hit OK, then I'm acknowledging I want out. And not only did I get out, but I got signed out as well, because I still have this set to true. So if you're going to use the true, it's probably also a good idea to enable this switch to make sure that people have this, oh my God, I didn't mean to do that type of experience. And then, you could bake all of this built into the, into your button or your exit button by doing a modal visible dialog box and like a toggle to show visibility and do all that other stuff. Because I've done it in other cases similar to that when I'm in a gallery and I want to delete, hey, do you really want to delete this record? Just because I've had people, just delete stuff and they want that, oh my God, help, type last minute save me button. So in any event, that's all that is. That's it for this video. Pretty straightforward and simple. Those are that's the command, that's the optional option, and then this extra bonus setting that's baked into the platform. Any questions? Leave a comment in the box below. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.